What's up everyone, this is Vlad here and I'm relaunching my channel officially, and in this video I want to talk to you about what is going to be in this channel and why you should stick around. So this channel is going to be about three main things: about idea, planning, and execution. This is all what it's going to be about. So we're going to start very simple. We're going to take a simple idea. We're going to write a plan, like a business plan, on how to achieve this idea. And we're gonna execute. We're gonna start small to prove the concept. Also, as we get more complicated, we will apply some feedback loops to see if we're on the right track or if we should drop the idea as a bad experiment and move to something else. Remember, all ideas take some time. But the rule of thumb is, for you to remember, you get only 1 point for an idea. You get 10 points for a plan, and you get 89 points for execution. So you see, the biggest ingredient isn't the idea. The biggest ingredient is how do we execute and how do we follow through? Because you can't just do something once and then expect some results. You have to be consistent, and you gotta create systems that will allow you to be consistent on this journey. That's what we're gonna be talking about. As I said, we're gonna start very small. Let me give you an example. Let's just say you want to do 15 push-ups, right? So how do you do it? This is an idea. You want 15 push-ups. How do you do it? You got to plan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plan in 5 minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
I'm gonna bring this fitness thing over here. I'm gonna set the station up, even though I don't really have to, but here it is. And in 5 minutes, I'm gonna do 15 push-ups. Very simple. Idea, plan, execution. All right, my time is almost over. So it's 5-minute timer. This was my planning. And now we're gonna go to the execution. So that's a simple example how you can take one little idea and turn it into reality. That's what I'm going to be focusing on this entire channel. But we're not going to just stop at cooking or doing the push-ups. We're going to be working on some life transforming things on this channel. So you better stick around, because there's going to be more complicated and more transforming things coming. And I will show you on personal example. I will walk you through A to Z, and it might take some time because bigger plans, they don't get executed in one day. It probably takes a long time, or maybe a couple weeks, couple months. We're gonna start very small and we're gonna build up from there. We're gonna build up momentum. And also, besides this, you're gonna have so many other things that are gonna be very useful on your journey, so you can achieve whatever you wanna achieve. That's the goal of this channel. So please stick around and see what happens. I'll promise I'll try to make this content more interesting and post very consistently. So if you do enjoy it and you see how you can benefit from it, please subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and comment. Tell me what you think. This good feedback from me too. All right, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Welcome in.